Hi, so I just wanted to show you these new hair wavers. Let me get them out of the box. Ooh. You're going to be trying them out with me. Okay, so I've sectioned all my hair off. Now I'm going to come back out and then I'll do a few bits and then I will pause the video and come back when it's all finished. I don't know how it's going to turn out. Ooh. Ooh, hello. That's turning out alright so far. You don't wait too close to yourself because then it'll make it look funny. Let's see. I'm going on holiday next week, so these will go with me if it's good. I'll always do this bit up here. Right, let me press the power. Nearly there. All done. I do actually love it. I just think it'll take a little bit of practice, but it looks beautiful. What do you think? I love them. I'm just going to start now. I've got a couple of bobby pins in. What do you call them? Bobby pins? Oh, I love it. Oh my god, it's gorgeous! I love it. I'm ready for my day.